Come on, buddy, can you cough for me? Huh? Little guy? We don't want you to be sick. No pecking. No pecking. I know you don't like this. I don't like messing with you either. But if I get you excited, maybe you'll cough a little bit. No? No coughing? Hmm?